I'm Laura. I work at Pharma recruitment within the healthcare communications team. I'm a senior consultant working specifically within healthcare advertising roles. I turned to Monster Talent Consulting because I recruit within the healthcare advertising sector, but only in the UK, and I had some roles come in with a new client across Europe. I didn't have any connections in those markets. I didn't really know anything about those markets. So I turned to Monster and they were able to provide me with some really good advice on what market to focus on. They also helped me write the job ad and they were able to get me access to candidates that I wouldn't have been able to access without them. So if I didn't use Monster, I wouldn't have had the inside knowledge of what those markets were like, but I also would have found it very hard to contact candidates directly, but it would have certainly taken me a lot more time and time was crucial. Working with Monster was a really good experience. They were extremely personable all the way through the process and they were in touch with me multiple times a day. I had some really good contacts there. I had a specific contact who really helped me understand the market and then another one who would screen these candidates for me and send them over. So I was able to access the correct candidate who was then placed into that role within 2 weeks, so I had a very happy client at the end of it. I'd say the best thing about Monster Talent Consulting was the international service, job hunting service, and within that the best thing there was definitely the expertise that they were able to provide, which saved me loads of time and helped me figure out the market and what the market conditions were like. If I was approached with a similar task as last time, I'd have no hesitation going back to Monster Talent Consulting.